Hello guys, welcome back, and the time is 12:44 a.m. and right now I share with you the withdrawal proof of this website, and you can see my time is closing and this will be pay me this much profit. And how I can claim my profit. First I show you my Faucet Pay wallet address because I use my Dogecoin of the Faucet Pay to link this website. Okay, my Dogecoin is right now 0, and just I click the URL payout and just come down and just I click pay. This is my wallet address, and you can see I go to my to show you my wallet address, Dogecoin wallet address. Okay, this is DG6U, and just I click pay. Please wait few seconds. Okay, pay successfully sent to your wallet address. Okay, and now you can see this paid me, and I total received this much Doge. Just I go to my Dogecoin, just I reload to the withdrawal will become in here. Okay, for confirmation, after confirmation I receive my withdrawal. Okay, you can see 80 Doge will be come here. After 6 confirmation I will receive my 80 Doge, because 1 Doge this website take for withdrawal the fees. Okay, and I invest 60 Doge, I receive 80 Doge, I earn 2 Dogecoin, and this website is 100 free, 100 paying website, and after 1 hour or 2 hour I will be receive my free Doge. Okay, this will be take a few hours to confirm, and then I will receive. Okay, this is the withdrawal proof, and thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning websites, and just subscribe to my channel and follow me. Bye bye for now.